हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज झलक ठक्कर। आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन सेमेस्टर 1 के अंदर कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट हैं, हर एक सब्जेक्ट की क्रेडिट क्या है, हर एक सब्जेक्ट की एग्जाम कैसे कंडक्ट होगी, हर एक सब्जेक्ट का पर्पस क्या है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं बीसीए सेमेस्टर 1 कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर। स्टूडेंट्स, आपको बीसीए सेमेस्टर 1 के अंदर टोटल 7 सब्जेक्ट्स है, जिसमें से एक इलेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट है EC 101, एक फाउंडेशन सब्जेक्ट है FC 101 एंड 5 कोर सब्जेक्ट्स है। इलेक्टिव कोर्स में आपको लिस्ट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं, उसमें से एक सब्जेक्ट को सिलेक्ट करना है। फाउंडेशन कोर्स में सेमेस्टर 1 के अंदर कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं है और आपके कोर सब्जेक्ट्स में है इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर एंड इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज, C language, Internet and HTML, fundamental mathematical concept and open source office automation. ओके और हर एक सब्जेक्ट की क्रेडिट आपको साइड में दिखाई गई है। क्रेडिट का मतलब है कि हर एक सब्जेक्ट का वेटेज कितना है। First subject is EC 101 elective subject. In this subject you have 4 options. First one is a learning from world leaders. Second is a culture and civilization. Third is a health education. And fourth is yoga and meditation. In your college, professor will guide you how to select one subject from these 4 options. This subject has 100 marks exam which is not conducted by the university, which means that you have to give this subject exam in your college. Next subject is FC 101. In this subject there is no option, means all students have to learn communication skills subject. Okay, there is no option available here. In this subject you will learn verbal communication, oral communication, written communication, presentation skill, etc. skills have to learn in this subject. This subject has 100 marks paper and the subject exam is not conducted by the university. Students have to give exam of this subject into their respective college. Next subject is CC 101 Introduction to Computer and Emerging Technologies. In this subject, the student will learn the fundamental terms associated with the computer, mobile devices and new technologies. Means what are the basic terms and technologies or terminologies related to your computers, mobile devices and new technologies. Next, they learn the types of computer, mobile devices, types of memory, various types of input and output devices. In terms of computer, you all know the basic input output devices like keyboard and mouse are the input devices. In the same way, printer and monitor screen are the basic output devices. Next, they learn basic uses and applications of computer in business and society. Means what are the applications of computer in business and daily life of humans. Next, they are familiar with the various computer codes. This subject has 100 marks in which 70 marks external exam is conducted by the university and the 30 marks internal exam is conducted by the college. Next subject is CC 102 C language. You know that when human wants to communicate with each other, they communicate through verbal language like Hindi, English, Gujarati. In the same way, when we want to communicate with the machine, he or she doesn't use this type of language. At this time or at this point, the programming language comes to communicate with the machine. C language is the basic programming language and used to give instruction to the computer. C language is also used to develop application program. Okay, to understand how to use programming in day-to-day application, this subject is in your syllabus. This subject has 100 marks exam in which 70 marks exam which is external exam which is conducted by university, and 30 marks internal exam which is conducted by college. Okay, and the practical exam is of 100 marks which is conducted by the college. Next subject is CC103 Internet and HTML. This subject name suggests we have to focus on 2 points, which is Internet and HTML. In Internet, we learn basic and important terminology related to Internet. Next, history of Internet, impact of Internet, growth of Internet, services of Internet, what are the different types of communication, service provider, and also we learn the basic details about the switch, router, hub, gateways, etc. What are the internet protocols? What are the details? How can we use emails, search engines, internet security and firewall, means all the basic details related to internet. We also learn the what are the difference between the HTML and HTML5, understand the internet terminology and technology, and also learn the simple and advanced tags of HTML5 so that we can develop simple website, static website using HTML5. This subject is of 100 marks, in which 70 marks external exam is conducted by the university and the 30 marks exam conducted by the college, which is your internal exam, and 100 marks practical exam of this subject is conducted by the college. Next subject is CC104 Fundamental Mathematical Concept. In this subject, student will learn the basic mathematical concept so that students are able to solve simple application problem related to computer science. The concept they learn like basic mathematical data, symbols, terminology used in the computer science, set theory, coordinate geometry, matrix algebra, calculus, etc. This subject has 100 marks, in which 70 marks external exam is conducted by the university and the 30 marks internal exam is conducted by the college. Next subject is CC109 Open Source Office Automation. It's a totally practical subject. Means there is no theory exam for this subject. 100 marks practical exam. In this subject, we learn the commands of DOS operating system and know the what is DOS operating system. We also learn the Windows operating system, its booting process and the components of Windows operating system. We also use and learn open office tools, in which we learn Writer, CALC and Impress. Means in you all know we use Microsoft Office, in which we use Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Okay, in open office tool is in OpenOffice tool is Writer, which is same as Word. CALC is same as spreadsheet or Excel, and Impress is same as presentation or PowerPoint. Thank you.